if condition, if there is a relation, if what exactly sir, there is a relation, there is a relation what? In between columns, in between what exactly mean? Column. Find the relation, in between columns. Let me repeat again. Mali repeat చేస్తాను చూడండి. Daniel, what do you mean by regression? Regression means draw a line over the data. But before draw, keep in these points actually. Let us take a data set. Find the relation between what exactly? Column ki relation undo ledo check cheyali. So we need to check either the columns having the relationship or not. How? Either you can apply scatter plot or you can apply correlation. What is a correlation? We given left and right yesterday. What is the correlation values? -1 to, very good, you remembered I guess. Yeah, Daniel, I find the correlation. Now if condition, if there is a relationship in between columns, then what we can do, apply regression. Apply what exactly mean? After that you can do, after that we can do. Beautiful. That's what we need to do. Next one, what do you mean by else, Sarji? If no relation, Chappan Sarji, if there is no relation, if there is no relationship, what in between columns actually? Don't draw. Don't apply. Chappan Sarji, regression. If you are not applying regression, then don't do. That's the beauty, sir. Adi meeku ardham kavali. Now, when you can do prediction, when you cannot do prediction, in the sense, do you have is the columns having the relationship? Yes, you can do the prediction. Is the columns having no relationship? Then don't do regression, don't do. Are you clear? Very clear actually. These statements are very clear. Before doing prediction, there is a process you need to be followed. This is just a theory. Practically we are doing actually, but keep in mind these are the point. Okay. Now this is what I covered yesterday, I guess. Maybe in between last 2 days, very cold, right? Weather. Correlation, we done these are all. Maybe I have taken one small data set also. What is a regression line formula? Y equals to mx plus b. Don't worry, I will not ask b0 formula, b1 formula. Good. Oh, yesterday I have drawn one nice diagram also, right? Let me just try to keep the diagrams like this. Based on the batch. We done these are all things, I guess. Which formula? This formula is really very good. Data to formula. Don't worry, my system sleeping. Yeah, it's wake up. Good. Now this is the data. This is what exactly mean? Data. So if you look at the data, trust me, it takes a lot of time. But visualize. We done. This one is a raw data to diagrammatic representation. This is seriously awesome. Though this one is a data set, right? First we created a scatter plot. Chapana Sarji, first we created a scatter plot. Then we applied regression. We applied what man? Regression means draw a line. Yeah, we draw that. Right? Indirectly, once we draw that, we got this formula. We got what exactly man? This formula. Now, this Y means you do prediction for score actually. But before doing prediction, you need to provide input. You need to provide what exactly mean? Input. This formula indirectly it will be helpful for you. Can you tell me how to read this? Y cap. One more time. Y cap means always prediction value. Right? Y cap equals to 1.45 plus 0.311x. X means input search. X means what man? Let me tell you what do mean by input. Suddenly one student came and he is telling, Anna, Daniel, I used to study for 6.5 hours. I used to study for what man? He is giving X actual. He is giving what man? Then he is asking, can you do let me know how much is grade I will get actually. Then what I need to do? Yeah, give me your 6.5, that hours actually. I need to just substitute here. Then what I can do, I can give on an average 99% guarantee you will get this score actually. Indirectly, this formula is helping us to do the prediction. What is this formula? Formula belongs to regression line formula. What formula, Sarji? Can I repeat one more time? Will you search up? Yeah, Daniel, repeat again. Sir, simple. This is the data. Data having underlying pattern, that is nothing but a knowledge, that is nothing but a formulas actually. Okay, I have created a scatter plot. I came across the data is traveling upwards direction. These are all points actually. It's okay, you're talking about the upwards direction. Can you do some prediction? Yes, I can do. But to do that prediction, I need to create a regression line. I need to create what, man? How to create a regression line? There is a formula you need to be follow. Y formula, B0 formula, B1 formula. After I applied everything, of course, the formula internally, it is involving correlation, standard deviation. Did you remember? Mean value, everything. Yesterday we covered actually. If anybody missed it yesterday, you missed a lot actually. Please be regular. And then మిమ్మల్ని నేను భయపెట్టట్లేదు. Please be regular actually. At least go for online. If you're having some personal issue, we can go to the online actually. Where are we? Yeah, Daniel, from this data itself, I created a formula. I created what exactly, man? Formula actually. I created a formula. Now, why this formula? This formula we can use for the prediction. I will show you how to use for prediction. This is the data set. This is the formula. Suddenly one student came. He is telling, I can study for 8 hours. I can study for what, man? 8 hours, sir. 8 hours, Daniel. Then this, he is giving x actually. You can just have to take this 8 and you can substitute here actually. Y cap equals to 1.45 plus 0.11 into, yeah, very good. Then you will get Y cap value. That Y cap value is a prediction. You can tell, boss, you will get this much score. You will get what exactly? I'm sorry. So I hope you understand. Now I can move on. Yeah. So we covered these are all yesterday. We done this. So scatter plot. Then regression line. To draw this regression line, certain formulas required. Y cap equals to B0 plus B1 of X. What is the B0 value? B0 formula is Y bar minus B1 into X bar. The next one, B1 formula. What is the B1 formula? Or what is R value? Good. What is S of Y? Standard deviation for S of X. Blah, blah, blah. We already done these are all discussion yesterday actually. Okay. I can move on. Yeah. Maybe here onwards, let me continue. Here onwards, let me continue. We are good to go. Move on. Fine. Let me continue. So this is so called as a Daniel. So B0. This is so called as the intercept actually. What is the value? Intercept. Intercept means it is also called as the intersection of the line. This is called as a line, regression line, where exactly it is touching to the y-axis. Where exactly it is touching what exactly mean? Y-axis. And this value is so called as a B0 value. What value? B0. Then what is the next one? B1. B1 means what is the value? 0.311. That is so called as a slope. That is so called as what exactly mean? Slope actually. This is the intercept and this is the slope. It is also called as a coefficient value. What value, Sarji? Coefficient value. Move on. Yeah, Y equals to B0 plus B1 of X. Ignore this theory. Yeah. This is important, Sarji. This is important. Indirectly, that B1 value, what value? B1 value, as study time increases by the 1 unit, we predict a student GPA to increase what exactly? 0.311. Understand? You didn't understand. Let me repeat again. In మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. Y equals to చెప్తారా ఫార్ములా? Y cap equals to చెప్పండి సర్జీ. B0 plus B1 of B0 plus what exactly? B1 of X. Good. Then let me just try to bring into the formula. Y cap equals to tell me Sarji, 1.45 plus 0.311. 311 into what exactly mean? X actually. Okay, good. Now let me take this data set. Actually. Good. Everybody look at my screen. Imagine so-and-so student. Can I take original data itself? Existing data తీసుకోమంటారా? Then you can take it. Student. Go back and let me just try to open the images. This is the original data. I need your help actually, please. Can somebody help me? 1, 2.0. This is the data set actual data. Chaptara. First one, what exactly? First one is study time. Next one is grade. Next one is what subject? Grade. Please, everybody look at my screen. 1, 2.0. Chapter subject 1, 2.0. The next one, 2, 1.5. The next one, 3. Sorry. 2 point what exactly? 2.5. The next one, 5, 6, 8, 10. 5, 6, 8, 10. Okay. 10. Okay. Good. I really appreciate. So hold on. Next one, 3.5, 3.0, 4.0. Tell me, 3.5. Good. 4 point what mean? 5. Now please understand, this one is a data set. Daniel, can you talk about 0.311? This is so called as a, now try to understand B1 value, which is what exactly, such is 311. Good. Please understand. If we increase, if any student increase 1 hour study, Chapan Sarji, 1 hour study time. 1 hour what exactly? Study time. I mean to say, previously, can you tell me what is the score for 10 hours actually? What is the score actually? Score answer Sarji? 4.5. 4 point what exactly? 5. 4.5. Now, if you increase 1 unit of change, I mean to say 11 hours actually. How many hours, man? Then how much score you are going to get, Sarji? 4 point what exactly plus 0.311. That's what you need to be understand. So now read the sentence, you will get an idea. What it mean, Uppur sentence chadavani meeku artham avutundi. If as study time increases by 1 unit, we predict a student GPA to increase what exactly, man? I believe you understand. I mean to say indirectly, did you increase 1 unit change actually? Then previous score how much actually, sir? 4.5. Then it will be just add on. It will be just add on to what exactly? B1 value. What value, Sarji? B1 value, right? This is 4.5 plus what exactly? No. Don't do calculation. Calculation cheyalsina pani ledhu. 0. What exactly? 311. No need to take calculator. That is a sentence you need to be understand. Okay, move on, please. Oh, suddenly, exactly this is my picture. Seems to be very, good. Y cap equals to 1.45, 0.311. I'm telling, so my study time 6.5. My study time 6.5 hours actually. Then indirectly, so-and-so student is giving input. So-and-so student is giving what, man? First of all, anybody supposed to give input. They should not talk about output actually. They should not talk about what exactly output. Then we need to take this input value 6.5. Then here you need to substitute. Here what we need to do, sir? We need to substitute. Once you substitute, you will get an idea. 6.5 means, can I say? This one is a 7 actually. Why? Because in between 2 is the frequency. And I can say this is the 6.5. Can you do the prediction? Enta avadanikku avakasam untundo telusa? Now let me, this line is helping actually. Okay. Even let me just have to take this line. On an average, I'm sure in between 3 to 4. In between what, man? Let me check. Check chadam chudandi. Yeah. How much score he got it, Sarji? Can I tell you this line is helping actually for us? Am I right or not, sir? With formula, yes, of course, you will get the right value. But still, if you want, you can just have to take this line. Okay, you can just have to, so you can create a graph like this. Now, Daniel, yes, exactly. I can say 3 point almost near to 4.7. This is really very good, actually. Now, conclusion of the story. This line is called as a regression line. This line is called as a, this is the continuation from yesterday's session. If anybody missed yesterday's session, I request you please walk through. So you can request admin for yesterday recording. You need to walk through actually. 6.5. What is the prediction grade actually? 3.47. Like this for any given value. Like this for any given value. This line, it will be helpful for what? To do the prediction. To do what, Sarji? Prediction. This is important, sir. This diagram is important. Okay, go back here. Not DL Daniel, it's a, these guys are images. 9 AM. And December 1. Okay, we are good to go. Move on, Sajid. Now we done that. But Daniel, can you explain about the practically? Yes, during machine learning I will cover. The next point is so called as a R squared value. What is the next value? One more time. R squared. Daniel, what do you mean by R squared value? To learn this R squared value, there is a one prerequisite. Any idea? R value, which is so called as a correlation. If you know correlation, R squared means just multiply R into R, that's it. R squared means R into R. R squared means it's just it's just R into R. Multiply R value with R actual. Very, very important, sir. Why R value? The next one. Why R squared value? Let me give a clarity. Repeating again, why? Understand about why actual. Can you tell me why R value? R value enduku cheptara? Very good, sir. Tell me why?
Prediction.
Yeah. So Daniel, by using R value, simple we can find what exactly? Relationship. We can find what exactly, man? Come on, talk with me. We can find relationship what? In between columns actual. Then if you are still asking a question, what do you mean by columns? Go back yesterday, go to area and rice packets. Area and what, man? If rice packet, if area is increasing, automatically a relation. If experience is increasing, automatically salary will increase. If study hours increase, automatically grade, marks will be increased actually. Conclusion of the story, in this universe, one column with respect to other columns having the relationship. Generally that relationship word we supposed to use in between humans. Brotherhood actually, sisterhood, brother, sister, so mother, father, this is. But let me tell you, columns having the relationship. Columns having what, man? Relationship actually. Okay, fine. Imagine we find the relationship. We find what exactly, man? Relationship. Yes, there is a relationship. If there is a relationship, what we can do? We can apply regression. If we apply regression later, what we can do? Come again, later what we can do? Now take this word actually. You can add this word here. Okay. We can add this word here actually. This word nikada add cheyandi. Conclusion of the story. We done prediction. We done what exactly? Prediction. Listen carefully. R squared is continuation from the previous word actually. What is the previous word, man? Chappalandra. What is the previous word? Prediction. You done prediction. It's a right time you need to evaluate the prediction. It's a right time you need to. What do you mean by evaluate? I done prediction. Is it right or wrong? We need to validate. Is it right or wrong? Is it what exactly? Right or wrong? Right or wrong? By using R squared value, we can evaluate the prediction. A simple man. R squared value. We can what exactly? Evaluate. Evaluate what exactly, man? Prediction. What do you mean by that? Either prediction is near or far from actual value. From what, man? Actual value. Mali chodudani chudandi. Imagine we done prediction. Repeating again. We done what, man? It's a right time. Either I done prediction. Is it right or wrong actually? I need to evaluate. Then definitely there is actual value. Chappan Sarji, there is a actual value. We need to compare with actual value. We need to compare with what, man? I need a response. We need to compare with. Good. Hold on. I will take one small real-time scenario. You will get an idea. Like how are having values, the range of values actually. What is the range of values? What is the starting point? -1 to +1. R squared value also having the range. Starts from 0 close to 1. Starts from 0 close to what, man? Why? It never be negative. Why? Because any idea? Squared. Even though it is negative, back end formula squared actually. I hope you know. If any negative value, if you apply square up actually, we will get a 10th class, not 10th class actually, maybe 3rd class or 4th class standard. You should aware about that one, right? Now R squared having the values. R squared values range of R squared values. Important inter question, sir. 0 to 1, 0 to plus 1, 0 to plus 1. Remember this. Remember this actually. So don't worry. I will repeat with such a nice scenario. You will get an idea. Let me take one real time use case. I'm sure everybody should aware about. I hope everybody knows about cricket actually. Am I right? Cricket. Now in cricket, let me take on an average 3 matches. 3 one day match actually. One day matches. One day match in the sense 50 overs for every match. Every match. Can you tell me? 50 overs. Daniel, what is a league? The league is in between. Think like three one day matches. These are all teams are involving. Do you know cricket first of all? We don't know. Okay, teams. First one is India. The next one, tell me. Yeah, let's take Australia. It's okay. Let's take any country we can take actually, but fine. Now let me tell you match number 1, match number 2, match number 3. Get ready, please. How many overs, man? Come on, how many overs? 50 overs. First, let me take a kind of some India. Let me take what exactly? India. Let me do always, if you are Indian, I'm sure if it is a cricket match actually, everybody having their own prediction. Everybody having their own prediction actually. Okay, Daniel, this one is a prediction. This one is what exactly, man? Prediction actually. Good, we are from India and this one is a prediction score. What score actually, sir? Prediction score. Now, the prediction score will be for first match, what prediction I done, imagine the first match I done a prediction for the 500 score. How many overs actually? 50 overs. What is my prediction? 500. I believe all 11 members actually. I thought they will hit, they will come and they will hit again and again and again. Then my expected score will be 500 men. My expected score will be what exactly? I know it's highly impossible. Then either my prediction is right or wrong. What I need to do? Yeah, you have to wait until finish the match. Repeating again, this is today prediction. Match is going to happen tomorrow. Match is going to happen what, man? Tomorrow. I would like to tell this one is the actual score. This one is what exactly, man? Actual score. Now, actual how much they hit, I can tell you 300 actually. I can tell you how much actually, sir? 300. Now, indirectly, R squared it will be tell. Are boss, your prediction is very far actually. What exactly, man? Very far. Chala durang on the prediction. How can you say? Why? Because what is my prediction? 500. What is actual score? 300. What is the gap actually? Very long actually. Indirectly, R squared is helping. Either your prediction is near or far. For to whom actual value ki daggaraga unda duranga unnadi cheptunannamata actually. Did you understand? Now please understand. Can I ask you a question? Yesterday I covered. Can you tell me regression? After regression, take that word and add here immediately actually. Where R squared? Do you wanted to understand R squared topic actually? First you should know the prediction. First you should know. Yesterday we done prediction. Right? Now it's the right time. I need to check a best example, sir. Can I tell you? Inka example chepmantara. During my 10th class exams. I hope I already told actually. My father never scared for any subject, but he used to scare only one subject, that is called as English. Why? Because I am from Telugu medium background. All my studies are JET-page schools only. My father never asked how you are studying Hindi and how you are studying science, maths, social. These are all he never asked. He will ask only English. Dear son, how much marks you will get actually? Public exam attended. Public that day. Think like, so Wednesday is English exam. What exactly mean? English exam actually. First day exam, he didn't ask anything. Second day exam, he didn't ask anything. Maybe I came across, my father asked to my mother, when is English exam? My mother told Wednesday. Then Wednesday, my father, once I came to I came to my home and my father little hurry and worry. He is telling, hey, dear son, how you have written actually. Then I told dad, don't worry. Don't worry. And I have written nicely. I have written what exactly nicely. And he is asking, what is your expectation? I done prediction. My prediction will be 90. My prediction will be, I told 90. My father told, are you overconfident actually? No, I told, no, dad, I have written nicely. Then either my prediction is right or wrong. My father supposed to wait until result. Result is nothing but actual. I'm sorry, that word is matching. Result is nothing but actual score. Sir, result day. What day actually? Result day. I'm little worried. What is the number I told actually? 90. If not 90, my father may beat actually. Right? Sir, results came. Now I got 85. I got what exactly, man? 85. Frankly speaking, very near. What exactly, man? Very near actually. Very near. Indirectly, very near is the word, it is going to helpful for us R squared value. What value, man? I will tell you. First of all, understand. By using R square, we can evaluate our prediction. We can evaluate our what exactly, man? Prediction actually. Either it is near or far, right? Can I make up at least? Yeah. Oh. Good. Very good, Sach. That's what I have taken 3 matches here. First match, I got a nice experience. I thought my prediction is worst prediction. Why? Because where is 500, where is 300 actually. Now during the second match, I realized myself. So I do have a last 10 years of experience in cricket, watching just actually, right? Now I done prediction 400 actually. I done prediction what exactly, man? 400. Now let me tell you, I need to wait until they hit actually, until the match is going to over. They hit 320, sir. They hit what exactly, man? 320. Can you tell me? Yeah, I would like to sell somewhat near actual. Somewhat what exactly near. But still, what is the gap? Okay, let me take here the gap actually 200. Sorry, you can sir gap 200. Even can you tell me here also? 80. I'm talking about the difference. I'm talking about what exactly difference. Okay, difference. Yeah, good. Near. Now third match. Literally, I failed first prediction, second prediction, third prediction. What I done, Sarji? 320. What exactly? 320. Now exactly how much they hit, sir? 333. 3 what exactly? 33. 333. I hate this number. 340. Let me tell you. Can you tell me how much is score? Chapan sir. Yeah, just 20. Either plus or minus, you can ignore. What is the gap actual? 20. Can I tell you? Very near. What exactly? Now this is what you need to be understand. Where there is a small difference, good prediction. If the difference is very small actually, good prediction. If the difference is very large actually, bad prediction. Let me repeat again. Imagine, think so there is a matches. 50 overs match actually. 50 overs means on an average they can hit 300. That's what we already know actually, right? On an average I'm talking. Now in match one, 50. First match I done prediction 500 and the 50 overs actually 500 and the 300 actual score. Now 200 is a gap actually very far. And this one 400 second prediction 320 they hit 80. Sir, it's okay, somewhat good actually. But let me tell you, I got a really nice experience from the previous matches actually. What is my prediction? 323. And how much they got it actually? 340. I know why you are looking at me, right? 340 and here 320. Are you happy? Let me take here also 320. 3 what exactly? 20. You are breaking your heads actually. Right? Now tell me 20. Now what you need to understand is where there is a small difference, man, good prediction. Repeating again, where there is a small difference, good prediction. Where there is a large difference, can you tell me? Bad prediction. Very bad prediction actually. Did you understand? Good. Now let me give a conclusion. If difference is very small, then so that's good prediction. If difference is very large, then that's not a good prediction. That's not what exactly, man? Good prediction. I mean to say very near. What exactly, sir? Very near. Now this is what exactly? Very far. What exactly, man? Very far. Make the prediction can be good prediction. Prediction can be very far. Very far in the sense worst prediction. You done worst prediction actually. Think so how much I told Saji? During exam, I told on an average 90. On average, what exactly? 90. But during result, I got exactly 35. Thank God, actually. Exactly 35. Where is 90? Where is 35, Saji? very large. Your prediction failed actually. Your prediction what exactly, man? Did you understand? I believe you understand. Daniel, but how much you got it? 85, sir. 85 వచ్చింది నాకు. I don't know even how I got it. Okay, now let me enter into the topic. ఇప్పుడు టాపిక్ లోకి ఎంటర్ అవుతాం. ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్, ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ టిల్ నౌ? దిస్ ఇస్ ద థియరీ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్, బట్ నైస్ థియరీ. ఐ బిలీవ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్. చెప్పండి ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్. ఉదయ్, రమ్య, గౌతమి, అభిషేక్. గుడ్, వీఆర్ గుడ్ టు గో. Yeah, move on. R squared actually. Don't worry, there is a table. You can ignore this table. But R value, can you tell me what is the starting value? -1 to +1. R squared value, what is the starting value? 0 to 1. 0 to 1. There are 3 use cases. Let me cover. This diagram is important. This diagram is very, very important. Let me cover actually. Right. Now, that blue dot indicates to actual data. Blue dot indicates to like there is a data set. There is what exactly, man? Data set. I created a scatter plot. Chapter Sarji, I created a imagine, so all this blue dot indicates to scatter plot. After created a scatter plot, I came across a good relationship. Then I created a regression. I created what, man? Regression. What do you mean by regression? Exactly. That you can connect all yellow dots actually. That is called as a regression line. That is called as what, man? Are you clear? Now it's the right time. This one is a actual score. This one is what exactly, man? Actual score. This one is a prediction score. This one is a actual score. This one is what exactly, man? Prediction score. I can say somewhat very near. That's still okay. Even somewhat very near. Even somewhat very near actually. Let me tell you, are you done any prediction actually? If you done any prediction, get ready. Your prediction is supposed to be near to the actual value. Near to what, man? Did you understand this part? I need a response. Are you with me? Good. Let me repeat again. There is a diagram. Here there is a data set. I have created a scatter plot. Then that is called as a actual data point. Actual data points I am representing with blue dots. Blue dots only, right? Then after that, I came across maybe the data is traveling upwards direction. Let us apply regression. Let us apply what, man? Regression. I draw the regression line. If you want, you can connect all yellow dots actually. You will get a straight line. You will get what, man? Straight line actually. Now, by looking at that line, you need to understand for every actual result, backend there is a prediction. Backend there is a what, man? Are you with me? Now, there are 3 cases I am going to cover, which is very easy. 3 cases. Case number 1. Hold on. Case number 1. Hold on. I will read this theory. Don't worry. Case number 1. Good, Daniel. I mean to say, this one is really very good, somewhat very near actually, somewhat very near. Now what you can do, I feel some glitch. Miss network. Let me test again. Online team, is my voice is clear? Here we are having some technical issue. That's okay. I don't want to disturb you. Let's move on then. Where are we? Okay. I'm sure you know how to calculate R square value. How to calculate R square value? Tell me. R into R, that's it. Now first you find out the correlation. Now you got R value. Immediately try to find out R squared value. Try to find out what, man? If R squared value is almost near to 1. Almost near to what, Sarji? 1. Sir, actual value, prediction value are very near. Actual values and prediction values are what, man? Very near actually. Very near, right? Now move to the next case. Next diagram chodani. Yeah, everybody make a note. I'm sure you know how to calculate R squared value. How to calculate R squared value? R into R. What it is? If R into R squared value, if R squared value is almost 0.0 means 0. 0.0 means no doubt at all, your actual value and prediction values are very far. Chodandi, deniki, such a long distance actually. This is something like a first match I done a prediction, very far. What exactly, sir? Very far. This one is actual score, this is my prediction score. This one is actual score, this is my prediction score. This one is actual score, this is my prediction score. Literally wrong actual. Indirectly we done worst prediction. The prediction is very far. Prediction is what, man? very far. Are you clear? Previous one, prediction is somewhat near. Prediction is somewhat what exactly mean? Near. Yeah, this one is will be this is the prediction, this is the actual score, and this is the prediction. This one is actual score, and this is what exactly prediction actual. Now move on to the next one. I will repeat twice. Don't worry, sir. I calculated R squared value. Then what is R squared value? How much I got it? If you are getting R squared value is the 1, your prediction value and actual values, trust me, 100 out of 100% accurate. 100 out of 100%. What exactly mean? You done prediction 300. India match also they hit 301. They hit what exactly? Just right prediction you done actually. Just one score is missing. You done prediction 305. India is able to hit 305 exactly. 305 what exactly mean? Exactly, right? Now, can I ask you a question? Good, hold on. Just always think like prediction and what exactly, sir? Actual. What do you mean by prediction? Before any event happen, we have our own assumption. Best example, before my marriage, I done prediction. I will get my wife like this actually. But when actually you will understand, after marriage, exactly. That is called as a prediction. That is called as what exactly mean? Prediction. Prediction means before happen the event, our assumptions. Or what exactly mean? Assumptions actually. Okay. Now let me tell you. Sir, R squared value. Then you're asking, Daniel, how about my wife is really good at you? I mean to say, so understanding purpose, everything. I understand your questions. Frankly speaking, this is my family time. So she allowed, that's what I'm coming to the session. If my wife is telling why sessions, is it really required? I may stop actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Right. So, yeah, family understanding really important. Anyway, so that is out of box. I'm sorry. Daniel, can you tell me R squared value? Imagine if R squared value, how much you are getting, sir? 0.9. Your prediction is almost very near, Sarji. Very near in the sense, very good prediction. Chappan, Sarji? Very good. Very near to what? Prediction value and actual values are very near. Chappan, prediction values and actual values are good. Then next one, R squared value, Daniel, I got it 0.07. 0. What exactly? 0.7. Almost 0.0. Then Daniel, I'm sorry, very far. What exactly mean? Very far. Worst prediction actual. What prediction, Saji? Worst prediction we done. Worst prediction we done. Now let me tell you, you got seriously 1.0. You got seriously what exactly mean? Best actual. I mean to say, so almost matching actual. Sir, best prediction you done. What prediction you done actually? Best prediction. This is so called as a very good prediction. Very good. What exactly, sir? Prediction. Please, this is what you need to be understand. Can we do practically? We are doing. Don't worry. So, conclusion of the story. Either your prediction is near to actual value or far to actual value. Either it is near or far. How to identify actually? By using R squared. By using what, man? Please understand actually. Now, this is the way. What we need to understand, Daniel, how to find a relationship between columns. Between what exactly? Columns actually. Ela find out chestam? R value. What is the answer? R value. How to find either relationship, either prediction is good or not actual. Very simple. R squared value. What value mean? మీరు 2-3 సార్లు చదవండి మీకు ఒక క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది. Can I read one more time? Daniel, you only read it actually. Okay. How to find relation between columns? How to find actually? One more time. How to find? Simple single word statement. R value. Then how to find either the prediction is good or not? Once you done prediction, it's a right time. We need to evaluate. My prediction is right or wrong actually. Then what is required actually, sir? I believe you understand. Meeku ardhamayinda, sir? Good. Now this is the final flow. I'm telling you about the final flow actually. Final flow, please by heart all these points. Certain point of time lo meeku help avutayi. Okay. Daniel, there is a data set. Data set having columns. Data set having column. Right. First, what we need to identify? Cheptara? Relationship. First, what we need to identify? How to identify? Correlation. How to identify? Correlation. Imagine there is a relationship. Then what we need to do? Very good. Regression. Once there is a regression, what we need to do? Okay, what we need to do, Sachi? Prediction. Prediction. Now it's the right time. Take this prediction. Can we evaluate actually? I wanted to check the prediction. I wanted to check what exactly mean? Check prediction actually. Yes, you can check by using R squared value. By using what mean? R squared. That's what you need to be understand. That's it. I pin it topic. Daniel, this is just a theory, right? Hold on, sir. I will cover practical discussion. Conclusion of the story. If you remember this flow, awesome actually. There is a data set. Columns. I wanted to find relationship. How to find out? Correlation. And after correlation, regression. After regression, prediction. Then I wanted to check the prediction. Either good prediction or not. What I need to apply. That's it. We can close. Can I ask you a question? Previously, one student asked one question. Daniel, no relation. If no relation, do I need to calculate this actual? Not required. These are all interconnected actually. These are what exactly mean? You don't know number 3. Why you are talking about number 30 actually? So the point is here itself the data set is failing. Then don't debug actually. Don't what exactly mean? Debug. Did you understand? Okay. Clear? Where are we? Now Daniel, you skip the points. Go back and let me read the points. Points skip chese kada. Let me read points. There are 3 cases. There are what exactly mean? 3 cases actually. Good. This table that's still okay. Good. This one is a diagrammatic representation. 3 cases, right? I can take a diagrammatic representation here. Good. R squared value is a very high. R squared value is what exactly mean? Very high. In between 0 to 1. I calculated R squared value. I got a 0.9. I got what exactly mean? 0. If it is really 0.9 near to the 1. Chappan Sarji? Near to the 1. Near to the 1. A high value of R squared value explains the actual value and prediction values are what exactly mean? Very close together. Chala దగ్గరగా ఉన్నాయి. Very close together actually. And we can clearly we can see. So we can clear to see. I'm sorry, there is a grammar mistake here. Clearly we can see actual values and prediction values are what exactly mean? Very less distance in between them actually. Very less distance. Am I right? Move on. So I done prediction 95 score actually. I got 85. I got what exactly mean? 85 actually. This is the best explanation. Repeating again, I done prediction 95 and how much I got it actually? Good. I know one of my friend, he done prediction on an average 80, but he got 95. He got what exactly mean? 94. Best explanation. Make arthamayinda? Move on. I will tell you. Sir, ఈ ప్రిడిక్షన్ లైన్ కి పైన ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ ని ఏమంటాం, ప్రిడిక్షన్ లైన్ కి కింద ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ ని ఏమంటాం? నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ రెసిడ్యువల్. దట్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ యాక్చువల్. యు గాట్ ఇట్ రైట్? Let me take this one. Man, math is very easy. So you no need to touch the formula. Understand. మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. I would like to tell. Let me draw the diagram. R squared. First diagram. R squared. Case 1. Move on to the next one. Good. Now please make a note actually. R squared value. Almost very small value such. Very small in the sense, 0.0. Chappan Sarji, what exactly? 0.0. 0.0 means almost 0. Please understand. R squared value is very low. A low value of R squared value explains the regression line which the data points are does not what exactly mean? Fit well. We can clearly see that actual values and prediction values are what exactly mean? Large distance. Very large distance actually. Very large distance. Okay. Understand please. Can I take this diagram also? Ayyo. Just give me 1 minute. What is the time? 10:22. Okay. Last one. Oh my god. R squared value, how much actually, sir? 1. Now the R squared value is equals to what exactly mean? It almost equals to 1. This means that we done prediction and y value for any given x. This is something like you're doing accurate prediction. You're doing what prediction? Accurate prediction, actual. Accurate prediction. Good. Yes. I mean to say R value. The next one, what you can do? R squared value. Indirectly, R square also is helping. 88% of the guarantee I can give. So I'm sure I can do the prediction 88%. What exactly mean? 88% I can give a guarantee. So that model will works very well actually. That's what, sir. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. So fine. I can close this topic. Can I help you the last flow actually? నేను ఒకసారి లాస్ట్ టైం ఒకసారి ఫ్లో చెప్పమంటారా? Daniel, please. This is the running topic, residual. Okay. Small recap. Just 30 seconds actually. Hello, Daniel. There is a data set, and data set having columns. Now tell me. Correlation. Oh, sorry. First one, relation. Okay, relationship. Next one. Next one. You guys understand. I feel so happy actually. Regression. Next one. Now I wanted to check prediction is right or wrong. What I need to do? That's it, man. Let me close the topic. That's it actually. R squared value. Trust me, you understand. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? కెన్ ఐ ఆస్క్ ఎ క్వశ్చన్? ఇప్పుడు కొన్ని ప్రశ్నలు అడగమంటారా? Why correlation? Simple to find relation. Let me tell you. Why correlation? Simple to find. Why R squared value? Either your prediction is a near or far. Either your prediction is a best example. During interview, if anybody is asking about just a correlation, you can ask them, just give me one paper. Trust me, if you explain this one, that guy will take a snapshot actually. Why? Because you explained very nicely. You explained what exactly mean? Very nice. Right, let's move. కొన్ని విషయాలు చెప్పమంటారా? Trust me, this kind of flow and diagram, you never ever find any books. With my experience, I draw actually. Definitely real time experience is required. Before teaching, teach చేసే ముందు real time experience ఖచ్చితంగా ఉండాలి. Before teaching, a real time guy, he can teach, so he can teach the depth actually. I'm not talking about other trainers, but anyway, that's not my job. Let's move on. It's a item. What is the next topic, Sarji? Residual. Man, residual is very simple. If you really understand R square, what do you mean by residual? That difference. What do you mean by that? Previously I have written here some difference, right? What is this one actually? Difference. This difference is nothing but a residual. The difference between actual value and prediction value is called as a residual. Residual means error. Chappan Sarji, residual means error in prediction. Prediction ఎంత error ఉందో ఐడెంటిఫై చేయడాన్ని residual అంటాం. Simple for your point, residual is a technique. Residual is a error, is also called as error. By using this, we can find the difference between. We can find the error in prediction. Then Daniel, a residual formula. కొంతమంది ఎందుకు రాసుకుంటారో తెలుసా? వీడు ఏదో రాసి మళ్ళీ తర్వాత మోడిఫై చేస్తాడు, లాస్ట్ లో రాసుకుందాం రాసుకుంటారు కదా. రెసిడ్యువల్ ఫార్ములా ఎర్రర్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద రెసిడ్యువల్ ఫార్ములా ఎర్రర్? Sarji, difference between actual value minus what exactly? Prediction value. Actual value minus what exactly mean? prediction value. No doubt at all points are valid. If you want, you can make a note actually. Anyway, Daniel, you are giving running notes, right? Yeah, sure. Repeating again. చెప్తాను చూడండి. Residual. What do you mean by residual? Residual also called as a error. చెప్పండి సార్, also called as a one more time, also called as a ఇంకా మీకు హై లెవెల్లో చెప్పాలి అంటే దీన్ని బయాస్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. ఇంకా మీకు హై లెవెల్లో చెప్పాలంటే లాస్ అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. లాస్ట్ అని కూడా, ఇట్స్ ఓకే, లాస్ ఈస్ ఫైన్. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ డీప్ లెర్నింగ్ టెర్మినాలజీ. You can say residual, you can say error, you can say bias, you can say what man? Loss. These are all similar words actually in data science perspective. Data science lo matladali ante, right? By using this we can find, I'm sorry sir, you should tell, right? By using this we can find what exactly sir? Error in when you done prediction, that prediction having some error. మీరు ఏదైనా ప్రిడిక్షన్ చేస్తే ఆ ప్రిడిక్షన్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఎర్రర్ ఉంటుంది. Can I tell you? Let us go for IRCTC, Railway Department. Every second Saturday, I used to travel to my Neetu. My train supposed to come at 10. What is the actual time they have given? I'm sorry, what is my prediction? I'm sure train supposed to come at 10. It never happened actually. I'm sorry for 10:30 it will come. Sometimes 11 actually. Sometimes what exactly sir? 11. Now, so can I tell you that train time is supposed to 10. This is so called as a prediction. They have told actually 10. Either it is really the train came at 10 or not, I need to wait actually. But actually, at what time it came, Sarji? And that a time goes to the regular ga? Chappan? 10:30 actually. Then what is error here? 30 minutes, man. 30 minutes actually. Just to open YouTube and watch the shorts actually. I'm sorry for saying. Did you understand or not, sir? Right? Now, are you done any prediction? Every prediction, you have to wait until to get actually. Then it's a right time, validate. You can, what exactly mean validate? Now, this is my experience. Almost like this 10 times happened actually. How many times happened? Now, 11th time I became expert actually. 11th time I became expert. Suddenly new passenger came. Who came actually? New passenger came and he is sitting beside of me. And he is standing and holding the bags. What I can tell, hello Guru, you can sit actually. Why? Because tell me, no doubt at all, train will come after. Why? Because I done experience, I done nice prediction actually. Then this guy is new passenger is telling, how you know? Hey boss, already I done prediction. I have almost really good experience. I traveled almost to 10 times actually. I know. Conclusion of the story, indirectly a model is created in my brain. That model I'm starting using actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సచ్? ఓకే, యా. These are all ML terminologies. ML terminologies. It's okay. Where are we? Residual is very easy. $10.22. So seriously, what about others? I'm sorry. Just now I have seen so and so. Gautami ma'am. Voice in picture. What about others? Is my voice is clear? All right. Then there is an issue from so there and only. If it is issue for everybody, I will be take care. Okay. I'm screwed. Where are we, man? What is the topic name? Chaptara. What is the topic name? Topic name is a residual. Daniel, what is a residual? Residual is also called as error. And by using this, what we can do? We can find the error in prediction. We can find error in what, man? Prediction actually. Good. And residual formula. And residual equals to actual value minus what exactly, man? It's okay. Plus or minus. Okay. Move on. Let's open material. Material open చేస్తాను చూడండి. Residual. Good. So it explains about how far the distance between the prediction value and actual value. It basically tells the error in prediction. It basically tells about what, man? Error in prediction. Yeah, just try to say. Yeah, please make a note. Residual equals to actual value minus what exactly, man? Prediction value. Yeah, actual value is y. Prediction value. Can you tell me? Very good. Excellent actually. Actual value is the y. Prediction value is y cap. Prediction value is what, man? Yeah, exactly. Y minus y cap. Then this topic depends upon previously. Previously what? Linear regression. Yesterday I covered, right? Linear regression, it is depending upon actual. Y cap form. Okay. Even today also I have covered. Y minus y cap. Y means actual value. And y cap means predicted value. Y cap means what exactly mean? Predicted value. Good. We are good to go. From the previous example, study time, x-axis and GP and y-axis actually. We know this model. We already created a previous model actually. Yeah, good. On x-axis, I am taking study hours and how long time they used to study. On y-axis, I am taking score, GPA score actually. Am I right or not, sir? Right? By looking at this diagram, you need to talk. Data is traveling upward direction. Then we find correlation. We find what? Then how scatter plot I use it actually. After correlation, next one. Just try to say. After you see, you can kindly please walk through my running notes. Na running notes చూడండి ఒకసారి. Yeah, good. Data set, columns, x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and what exactly mean? Y-axis actually. After this, can you please do let me know? We need to find relation. How to find relation? Correlation. How to find the correlation? By using scatter plot. I have created a scatter plot. Then after creating a scatter plot, can you tell me regression? What is a regression? చెప్పండి సర్. Draw a line over the data. I have draw the line. Now indirectly I can use this line to do what, man? Prediction. To do what exactly? That's good. Points are matching. Points are what, Saji? Match. Now move on. This is really awesome. Now residual means previously even r squared, during r squared I told the distance is very small. Distance is what, man? Now let me know how much distance. Let me know what exactly how much. Are you talking about how much actually? Then you need to find out residual. You need to find out what, Saji? Residual. అంటే r squared అనేది మనకి ఏం చెప్తుంది అంటే the prediction value and so actual value how far it is. ఎంత దూరంలో ఉన్నాయి. I mean to say, right? Now please move on. Daniel, so get ready. Actual value. For actual data point, x value we already know, y value also we already know. X and y. Every data point having the x dimension and y dimension. Am I right or not, Sachi? And even this one is a prediction. This one is what, man? Prediction. For prediction also x and y. Make a note actually, x and y. What is x value? Chaptara 5. Chapana Sachi? 5. What is the y value? 3.5. 3.5. Yeah, good. X value is the 5, y value is the 3.5. For prediction value also x comma y. What is x value? Chudandi. What is x value, Sarji? 5. What is the y value? 3. Wow. Get ready, sir. Now in your hand, this one is a y, actual y value. This one is any idea? English level, y cap. What is, yeah, prediction value. What is it is? Y cap. Now what is the y value? Chapana Sachi. 3.5. What is the y cap value? 3. What is the difference? That is called as a residual. That is called as what exactly, man? Residual. Then the residual. I believe you understand. Did you understand? Right. మీరు ఊరికే తలూపున్నారా నిజంగా అర్థమైందా? జస్ట్ లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ, దిస్ ఇస్ ద న్యూ టాపిక్స్ ఫర్ యూ, రైట్? యూ నీడ్ టు స్పెండ్. మీరు కొంచెం టైం కూడా స్పెండ్ చేయాలి, మెటీరియల్ చూడాలి, స్పెండ్ చేయాలి. ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ద బెస్ట్ మెటీరియల్. యూ నీడ్ టు వాక్ త్రూ యాక్చువల్. Good. Daniel, previously you told by using r squared value we can find out how much distance actual. Now it's the right time we can tell the error also. What is error value? 0.5. Small error, good prediction. Small error means what, man? Good prediction. That too, can I ask you a question? Positive error or negative error? One more time. Remember this. దీన్ని గుర్తుంచుకోండి, తర్వాత మాట్లాడదాం. ఓకే, ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్? మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. గో బ్యాక్ ప్రీవియస్. Daniel, why you are explaining? Hold on. Wait and see. This one is a diagram we know. Let me take 2 data points. Regression line. Yeah. If you take any data point on the regression line, that is a prediction point. That is what point? Prediction point. Now let me take out of the box. What do you mean by that? Actual data point. If you take either actual value or prediction value, every data point having xy. Chapana Sarji? Xy. Let me take this one is x value, y value. Yeah. So I would like to tell this one is the actual value. This one is prediction value. 1. Yeah. This is having x comma y. This one also having x comma y. Can I continue? Move on. Then I wanted to know what is x value and y value. Then you can just try to identify. X value is the 5, Daniel. What is the y value? 3.5. Very good. This one is actual value. Now it's a right term x comma y. For prediction value also I need to find out x comma y. Kindly please make a note for this data point. What is x value? 5. What is the prediction value? Chapana Sarji? 3. Very good. Very good. Now, why I am calculating these two things actually? Why? Because I wanted to know residual. What is the residual formula? Y minus Y cap. Then I should capture this value. Even I should capture this value. Then you can find residual. You can find what, man? Come on, move on. Right. So, what is the Y value? 3.5. 3.5 minus Y cap. What is the Y cap value? 3. What is the Y cap value? What is error actually? Put error enta cheppandi. 0.5. Are you clear? Don't ask again, explain actually. Now move on to the next data point. Move on to what, Saji? Next data. Now I have taken these data points, right? Now let me take these data points. E data points is done, children. Are you ready, yourself? Right? Now let me just try to take this data point. Oh, very good. Focus actually. Let me ask a question. On Y, on line, if you take in any data point, this one is a prediction data point. What is the X value? Can you tell me what is X value? Oh, okay. First, let me take about the blue data points. Blue dots actually. Blue dot, Daniel, this one is the X value. What is X value, sir? 2. And what is the Y value? I'm sure 1.5. Very good. What is the value actually? 1.5. Very good. Now, Daniel, this one is a prediction, right? What is the X value? 2. Y value above 2. Above what exactly, man? I need right value. How to calculate actually? Y value ni ela calculate chestam? Y cap ni ela calculate chestam? Come again. Did you remember? Y cap equals to B0 plus B1 of X. We draw the formula. Very good. That's what I wanted to capture it. Yeah, Y cap equals to, yeah, Daniel. So do you need accurate value? Y cap equals to 1.45 plus 0.311 into X. What is X value? Can you tell me? 2. Then let us just try to substitute here. Let us just try to what exactly, man? Substitute. Let me substitute. Then you will get an idea. Right? Yeah, Daniel. So fine. Man, this one is a Y cap value. This one is what value? Now, what is the residual formula? Tell me actually. Can you tell me what is actual value? 1.5 minus 2.072. 2. What exactly? 0.72. 0.7. 1.5 minus what exactly? 2.07. 2.072. Okay, this is the residue. Is it positive or negative? One more time. Is it positive or negative? If it is negative residual, right, your prediction data point is up. And the prediction data point paina untadi. If it is a positive, your prediction data point is down. That's what you need to be understood. During interview, they will ask, I calculated the residual. I got a positive. Explain actual. Then you just, if you are able to tell, if it is positive, your prediction data point falls the below. You know, so మీ ప్రిడిక్షన్ డేటా పాయింట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది అంటే యాక్చువల్ డేటా పాయింట్ కంటే కింద ఉంటుంది. యాక్చువల్ డేటా పాయింట్ కంటే కింద ఉంటుంది. రైట్? యా, దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ అ పాజిటివ్, దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మీన్ నెగటివ్. నౌ దట్ పాయింట్స్ ఐ హావ్ రిటన్ హియర్. నేను ఆ పాయింట్స్ ఇక్కడ రాశాను, డోంట్ వరీ. A negative residual value means it falls the below the regression line. A negative residual value. What is the negative residual value? Yeah, this one is the negative residual value, and it falls the below the regression line. It falls what exactly mean? Below the regression line. A positive residual value means the actual value located into what exactly mean? Above regression line. So that's what you need to be understand. I believe you understand. You need to spend some time searching. Okay. Today the topic what I have covered, kindly please walk through. No formulas, just theory. That theory you need to be understand. Just one time reference is more than enough. Okay. One time reference is more than enough. Let me close. Today I have a login, but let me give agenda. Matrix on an average. There is a 9th topic which is outdated actually. I'm not discussing about that topic, but at least let me change the numbering. Otherwise, you may confuse. Tomorrow we are going to close maths. That matrix just a matter of 20 minutes. How long time, Sachi? 20 minutes time padutundi. Tomorrow we are going to start machine learning. But before starting machine learning, there is a one major topic. The topic name is called as a feature engineering. What is the topic name? Get ready. Then again, take your laptop and clear the dust actually, right? And tomorrow we are going to start the coding again. We are going to start what, man? Coding again actually. Ante laptops మీరు కొంచెం రెస్ట్ ఇచ్చి ఉంటారు కదా. So fine, get ready. We done today's session. Python. So tomorrow we are going to write Python code again actually. can I upload the material?